back with another YouTube video, and today we're working on my buddy ZX4RR.
What's up, everybody?
What are we doing to this thing today?
Hey, so today we're installing the TST Tail Tidy. We currently have a hot bodies tail tidy on the back right now, but we're going to switch from a high mount that utilizes the space in the back already. We're going to go from this high mount to a low mount, and then we're also going to delete the OEM turn signals, and we're going to go ahead and put a TST integrated rear brake light.
So we're going to be doing a lot to this thing. We're probably going to set up a time lapse and just get to it. Doop doop. So we got everything all back together and it's looking nice.
Yeah, so essentially we got rid of the OEM turn signals that were on the hot bodies tail tidy. TST provided their block off plate along with the low mount. So the low mount is mounted in a legal position and it's right over the mud flap, so it's good to go. We don't have anything to worry about regarding rain or debris hitting the license plate. And it really cleans up everything, especially with the rear passenger peg deletes that were installed previously. Thanks for watching.
Alright, so we got it all finished up and turned out pretty sweet. I don't know what to say.
Turn it first. Alright.
Alright, so we got everything all finished up and bolted back up to
English.
Take 3.